Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmarkar, and today's date is 4 October 2021, and today's video topic is static keyword. So let's go for static keyword. The static keywords in Java is used for memory management mainly. We can apply static keyword with variables and methods, blocks, and nested classes. The static keyword belongs to the class than an instance of the class. Java static variable. First point is Java static variable. If you declare any variable as static, it is known as static variable. The static variable can used to refer to the common property of all objects. Uh, for example, the company name of employees, college name of student, etc. The static variable gets memory only once in a class area at the time of a class loading. The program of the counter without static variable. In this example, we have created an instance variable named count, which is incremented in the customer constructor since uh, instance variable gets the memory at the time of object. Each object will be the copy of the instance variable. Second point is Java static method. If you apply static keyword with any method, it is known as static method. A static method belongs to the class rather than the object of the class. A static method can be invoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. A static method can access static data member and can change the value of it. So next question is, why is the Java main method static? So it because the object is not required at call of call a static method. If it were a non-static method, JVM creates an object first, then call main method. That will be lead the problem of extra memory allocation. So third point is Java static block. It is used to initialize the static data member. It is executed before the main method at the time of class loading. So next question is, can we execute a program without main method? No. The answer is no. One of the ways was the static block, but it possible till JDK 1.6 to JDK 1.7. It is not possible to execute a Java class without the main method. So let's get example of a static keyword. Suppose there are 500 students in my college. Now all instance data members will be get memory each time when the object is created. All students have its unique roll number and name. So instant data member is a good in such case. Here, a college refers to a common property of objects. If we make it static, this field will get the memory of only once. Uh, Only once. So, a static method belongs to a class rather than the object of a class. Thank you.